in today's video, I will show you how I decorated this Hey Duggee birthday cake. Let's get started. Here I have my buttercream. I'm just giving a quick whip to get rid of any pockets in there, and just to be sure that it's not too stiff so it can be spreadable. And I'm about to start stacking my cakes. I have 4 layers of cake, so I'm going to fill each layers with my buttercream frosting, like so. And I'm going to repeat this process till the 4th layer. And if you want a buttercream recipe, I have a video. I'll be leaving the link at the top right hand corner there for you to click on if you would love to see how to make a buttercream frosting. This buttercream I am using in this video, I have added marshmallow fluff and melted marshmallow to it, and it tasted amazing. So you should try it out. You shouldn't just have a boring buttercream. You can spice up the buttercream with different flavors, just like I have done here with the marshmallow. And here comes the last layer, and I'm also giving it a quick look around and see if it's straight enough before I continue to crumb coat. So now I'm just going to go on and crumb coat the sides with the buttercream and smooth it out with my palette knife just to get a good finish. This is just the first crumb coat before the second top coating, which will be done late after I put this in the fridge to set, to harden a little bit for about 30 minutes. So now it looks good to go. I'm going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to set, and I'll be back. So now I'm back and it's all set, and I'm lifting this cake off this board to the board where I'll be decorating it, and leave it on. I tried to pull the cake lifter. It literally pulled the cake with it, so that's why it's best to do this at this time before completing the whole decoration process, because it's easier to fix any accident at this stage than when it's all done. So now I'm just adding the top coat to it, because the cake is going to be pink in color. So I've colored this buttercream with a food coloring gel. So I'm now covering the cake and just smoothing it out as I go, filling in every bit of the sides that needs filling. And if you would love to support my channel, please subscribe. That's all I ask for. And also remember to turn on the notification bell. It's a huge support that I would really appreciate. Thank you so much. And now I'm wiping the excess buttercream that's on the board, because I need the board to be as clean as possible. So I'm also using the cake lifter / scraper to swipe around the cake side, so to give a cleaner, smoother finish. So now that that's done, I'm going to put it in the fridge again to set before I start to add my sprinkles. Now I'm adding the sprinkles, carefully. I have a a big tray on the bottom to catch the sprinkles that might want to stray away. Because we know sometimes the sprinkles can be a pain to work with. At this point, I'm just going round and round to see if there is any more space to fill, any more bare space that needs to be sprinkled. So on a side note, I do admit that this cake is not the straightest cake ever stacked. So I've taken it upon myself to film a video on how to stack a straight cake. I think I was a bit distracted when I was doing this, so I'll be uploading a video soon on how to achieve a straight stacked cake, so please watch out. So now I think I am fine with how it looks, and I'm just going to dust off the remaining sprinkles down on the board and pat the sprinkles to the sides carefully so they stick better, and refrigerate for another 20 minutes. So now it's done, and I'm going on to the next stage of decoration, adding the drapes to the cake. In case you're wondering, this drape is not chocolate, it's a simple ice and sugar and water. I know, right? It's amazing how it also works pretty well. As you can see, I just wanted to try something different, and I decided to mix ice and sugar and water. I can't remember how much quantity I used because I was just adding and adding until it was the right consistency I needed. So, and I just colored each batch with different colors that I needed for the cake. So yeah, it was actually easy and simple to make. So if you want to try it out. Yeah, now I'm adding my cake pop, the rest of the decorations. This meringue pop and swirls I'm using, I have a recipe, I have a video on my channel for this. I'll be leaving the link at the top right corner, so for you to see if you would like to watch how I made it. And yeah, I have added the rest of the decorations, the Hey Duggee toppers and the marshmallows, the sweets and everything. And look at how beautiful it turned out. It's actually so simple and easy to make. And I must add that this wasn't my original design. A friend sent me a picture like this and asked me to remake it. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I hope it has given you ideas of what you can do with your cakes. So thank you for watching. If you'd love this video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And also you can find me on Instagram as Mafi's Kitchen. And until next time, have a lovely day.